Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can upgrade the RAM on your laptop. For the demo I'm using my personal laptop that I've bought a couple of months back. This is a 14-inch HP Pavilion laptop. Now before we start, let me quickly share some details about this laptop. It is an HP Pavilion 14 EC1003AU in natural silver color. As the name suggests, it's a 14-inch laptop. It is not a gaming laptop, as I wanted a laptop for home use and for some productivity and not really for gaming. The top lid is made out of metal alloy and feels quite cool to the touch. It is very sturdy. It has got a very sturdy build and does not have much top lid flex. It comes with a 65-watt charger and uses a barrel connector for the power delivery. The keyboard deck and the back of the laptop are made out of plastic. However, it looks and feels very premium. The keys are in silver color, matching the color of the laptop. The keyboard is backlit and has got 3 stages of backlit lighting. It comes with a 14-inch IP glossy display with 250 nits peak brightness and a 45% intensity color gamut. This laptop is powered by Ryzen 5 5625U, which has 6 cores and 12 threads, with a base clock frequency of 2.3 GHz and a boost clock of 4.3 GHz. It has 16 MB of L3 cache, which is the same as 5600H. This is paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM using two 4 GB sticks of 3200 MHz. Since this laptop comes with a 2x4 GB RAM kit, it populates both the RAM slots on the laptop. Hence, I need to replace both the 4 GB sticks with 8 GB sticks of RAM to get it to 16 GB of RAM. For the storage, it has an Intel 512 GB Gen 3 SSD, which has decent read and write speeds. HP has not provided an Intel network card and has gone with a Realtek Wi-Fi 6 card with Bluetooth 5. The graphics department, it is powered by Radeon graphics with 512 MB of dedicated graphics memory. The laptop has a decent number of ports with a 3.5 mm headphone combo jack and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port on the left side. On the right side, it has got a charging port, a HDMI 2.1 port, another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port. The Type C port supports Display 1.4 and HP sleep charging. The exhaust vents of the laptop are at the back. To open the laptop, I'm going to use my handy screwdriver and electronics opener kit that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for the same. I got a 16 GB kit that comprises of two 8 GB sticks from Crucial. This is a 3200 MHz kit with a CL22 latency. Let us open the laptop now. To open the laptop, we have to undo 6 Phillips head screws. 2 of them are visible near the chin of the laptop and the other 4 are hidden under the rubber feet of the laptop. I do not know the size of the Phillips head screws used here, so I will do a trial first to choose the right screwdriver head. Otherwise, the screw might be stripped. I have now taken out all the screws. and now I am using my pry tool to open the back cover of the laptop. You always need to start from the location where the panel gap is the most, so that you can first insert the pry tool. In this laptop, the gap is at the back of the laptop near the exhaust vent. You should be very careful while using the pry tool to open the back, as there are high chance that you might end up breaking a few of the plastic tabs that holds the back cover in place. If you are not confident, it is always better to take the laptop to a service center to get this done. I have opened multiple laptops, so I know what I am up against. After carefully maneuvering, I have finally been able to open the tab at the front of the laptop, and now we are through. Thankfully, no tabs were broken in the process. Wow, that's a clean layout. This is the first time I'm also checking the inside of this laptop. A clean layout always makes me happy, as it's easy to work around for upgrades and also cleaning. As you can see, the bottom cover is made out of plastic or polycarbonate and has enough air vent for the laptop. Let us check out the laptop itself. This laptop has got a single fan connected with two heat pipes that cool the CPU and the GPU. The single M.2 slot is user upgradable, and we can put new SSD here. We have got two down-firing speakers of 2 watts each, and here is a 43 watt hour battery. The Wi-Fi card is also replaceable. We have got two RAM slots where we will be putting our new RAM in. One thing you should note, it's better to disconnect the battery and also to ground yourself before you touch anything inside the laptop. I have not removed the battery connection, but I have grounded myself, so I am free from any accidental static discharge. A static discharge can break your laptop. To remove the RAM from the slots, you need to pull the retaining pins outward, and the RAM will spring up at an angle. You can then remove the RAM. Make sure not to touch the pins on the RAM or any exposed contacts. HP has shipped Samsung single rank RAM sticks. Now I'll replace them with the crucial ones and double the capacity of RAM in this laptop. The RAM can be slotted only in one manner, and this is taken care by the slot in the middle of the RAM. Carefully align the slot and push the RAM at the same angle the RAM came out. Once the RAM is slotted, gently push the RAM down and the retaining pins fall back in place. The crucial RAM is also a single rank RAM stick. Replacing the other RAM is also exactly the same as doing one RAM. So we have to repeat the same steps all over again. Now that the RAMs are replaced, let us quickly check if everything is working fine before we fix the back cover. As you would have seen, the laptop lid cannot be opened with one hand as the hinge is very tight. Now that we have logged into the laptop, let us check if the RAM is detected and running at the expected frequency. There we go. We have got 16 GB of RAM detected, and it's running at the expected 3200 MHz speed. The upgrade is successful. Now I'll quickly shut down the laptop and close the back panel properly. You need to be very careful with the adhesive strips at the back of the rubber feet, as they tend to wear off very quickly. And if you misalign the feet, your laptop will not sit right. That is all, folks, for today. If you like my videos, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help the channel grow and help me bring more videos like this to you. Bye and see you in my next video.